Plant tissue. Plant tissue, that is of two types, simple and meristematic and permanent. Meristematic tissue we studied. Another permanent tissue, again two types, that is the simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue is of again three types, that is of parenchyma, collenchyma, and third one is of sclerenchyma. Now today we discuss about that sclerenchyma. That sclerenchyma word derived from two words, scleren. Scleren means hard, and chyma means tissue. It is of hard tissue. That sclerenchyma, that is the hard tissue. Normally it is hard in structure, and this word given by the Martinius scientist given this word, that is of sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma tissue is of two types. One is of fiber, another is of sclerites. Fiber and sclerites. Normally that is fiber is made from directly from the meristematic cells, and the sclerites, that is made from the parenchymatous cells. These sclerenchymatous fibers, these of elongated cells. These are the elongated cells with pointed tapering ends. It is made up of elongated cells with tapering ends or pointed ends. Pointed ends, their end wall is pointed. Cell wall thick. Cell wall thick. The cell wall is highly thick. Cell lumen reduced, cell lumen narrow. Cell lumen is very narrow. Suppose we see and we take the transverse section of these cells, we get like this way. And this is the thick cell wall. Due to deposition of different cell material, that cell lumen is greatly reduced. Cell lumen greatly reduced. Cell dead. Cell dead. Living cells नहीं होती. These cells are dead. But we see that sclerites, these are small isodiametric cells. These are small isodiametric cells. Isodiametric, iso means equal, diameter, equal from the diameter, that is the isodiametric. Means ऐसी जो छोटी सेल्स होती है जो कि आइसोडायमेट्रिक होती है, इक्वली द डायमीटर विल बी इक्वल फ्रॉम ऑल साइड्स लाइक दिस वे. And what can I draw the diagram of like this way? This is the scleroid cells. This is the scleroid cells. Due to deposition of different cell wall material, their cell lumen is again greatly reduced. ये सेल वॉल मटेरियल डिपोजिट हो जाता है, जिससे सेल ल्यूमन, जो सेंटर वाली ल्यूमन है, वो बहुत कम हो जाती है, greatly reduced. Normally that is both the type of cells, that is of fiber and skeletons. The difference is according to their shape and size. That fiber is elongated cells, but the skeleton is of isodilated small cells. That these are having pointed ends, but not these are having pointed ends. But both are the non-living cells or dead cells. Initially they are living, but after maturation, these two cells will be dead. In both the cells, the cell lumen is greatly reduced. Cell lumen नहीं होती है, बहुत कम होती है. प्रोटोप्लाज्म नहीं होता है इनके अंदर. और इन दोनों का फंक्शन जो है, if we see the function of the sclerenchymatous tissue, it is provide protection. It provide function. It provide function. It provides strength, mechanical strength. It provides a mechanical strength, and it prevent collapsing. It prevent collapsing from collapsing of the soft plant. Soft plant, अगर सॉफ्ट प्लांट है गिर सकता है तो वहां पर उसको गिरने से बचाने का काम करता है. इट प्रिवेंट collapsing the soft plants. That these fibers, or we can say sclerenchymatous fibers, that help in the formation of different fiber. It form fiber which is utilized commercially. Fibers commercially is obtained the commercially fibers, and example jute, hemp, agave. These plants, in these plants, that is of jute, hemp, agave, that fiber is obtained from the sclerenchymatous fibers. So that is from that they provide the strength, as well as after the plant death, these fibers utilized as a commercial production of the commercial fibers. So this is the also utilization of these cells, the skeletal cells, present in seed coat of the seed. Present in seed coat, where they provide protection. The different types of seed coat, just like in legume seed coat, that is of pea seed coat, pea plant के जो seed होता है उसकी seed coat की कवरिंग में भी ये cells काम में आती है. So the main function of that sclerenchymatous tissue, it provide mechanical strength and protection to the plant body. If we see difference between these three types of simple tissue, that is of parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. If you see the differences, the cells are living, cells are dead. Initially these these cells are living, but after maturation, that skeletal chimeratous cells will be dead. Cell wall thin, cell wall thick as compared to parenchyma. Compared to and highly thick cell wall highly thick, बहुत ज्यादा थिक होती है इन स्क्लेरल कैमा. Then chloroplast present इनमें क्लोरोप्लास्ट हो सकता है पेरेन्काइमा में भी प्रेजेंट, इनमें भी हो सकता है. इनमें नहीं होता, absent. Chloroplast is always absent in scleral chimeratous states. Intercellular space. Intercellular space present in the parenchyma. Intercellular space present in parenchyma may be present, हो भी सकते हैं, नहीं भी हो सकते हैं. And in sclerenchyma, intercellular space absent. Intercellular space absent. No intercellular space between the sclerenchymatous cells. Then cell lumen white. Wide. Cell lumen wide. Cell lumen greatly reduced. Cell lumen greatly reduced. Then cell wall evenly thick. Cell wall evenly thick, that is unevenly thick cell wall unevenly thick, and again here evenly thick cell wall evenly thick. So if we see that cell wall of parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma, that is of thickening is different types of there, evenly and evenly. And if we see some pores present between the cell wall, that pores is known as pits. Pores present in the cell wall. We can say connection between the cell wall. For example, I draw the one diagram. This is the one cell. Okay. This is of another cell, and this one is of another cells. The some connecting link present between the cell. These connecting links is known as plasmodesmata. These connecting links is known as plasmodesmata, from which one cell will connect with the another cells. These are the connecting links. This is the plasmodesmata. This one is of plasmodesmata. These are the connecting links which is present between the two cells. These are the connecting links. So plasmodesmata present in parenchyma plasmodesmata absent, and plasmodesmata present and plasmodesmata absent. So through these plasmodesmata, these cells are connected with the another cells. In these cells, all cell organelles present. Or again, all cell organelles present. But here, these are the non-living cells or dead cells, so cell organelles absent. Cell organelles absent in the sclerenchyma cells. Cell organelles is absent. Then the parenchyma cells undergoes plastic strengthening. These cells undergoes plastic स्ट्रेचनिंग होती है, में वो खिंच जाती है. इट इज अगेन undergoes plastic straightening, or here not. These are the rigid cell. The cell wall is highly thickened and these will not undergo the stretching. Where these cells present, normally the cells parenchyma present in the leaf, stem, flower, or different part, all the part of the plants. Normally the collenchyma present in hypodermis of stem or branches. Hypodermis of diploid stem which provide flexibility, and it is present with the with xylem, phloem, and hypodermis of monopod tissue. That hypodermis of monopod tissue is also made from the sclerenchymatous tissue. So when we see the function, these parenchymatous cells provide help in the storage of surplus food material plus photosynthesis plus waste material. These collenchyma, they help in the, whenever chloroplast is present, that help in the photosynthesis and provide flexibility to the plants. Flexibility provide करती है. Sclerenchyma that provide mechanical strength to the different part of the body. These sclerenchyma cells provide mechanical strength to the different part of the body. So these are the function of the simple tissue, that is parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma.